We're in a commercial bathroom right now, and these are the surrounding wall tiles. Now, there are approximately, I'm going to say about 10 to 20 layers of cleaning chemical left on this surface. And what happens when you leave chemical on top of chemical on top of chemical, you have a mountain of chemical, and then you put the moisture, you put some heat, you put some fingers, and it all just looks yucky. Now, using a wet magic eraser, what I'm using is our bathroom tool, but you can use a normal magic eraser or a magic eraser on a doodle bug. You can see the soap. Look how much soap was just there. Now, the magic eraser has like sharp little fingers. That's the easiest way I can describe it. And those fingers lift and grab everything on the surface. The water obviously makes it much more easier to remove. Now, the thing with the magic eraser is they've got like little fingers. So once those fingers are full, they don't work anymore. So you always need to make sure you're rinsing your magic eraser out so it still works. The same goes with a microfiber cloth. So I'm using a wet microfiber cloth to remove the soap and residue on the tiles, to remove it. Now, the biggest thing is that you focus on where you're actually cleaning. You can see my belly stuck out because I'm tensing my core. I'm not going to use my back. I'm going to move with my body. You've kind of got to know what I'm talking about. Like, you had to have done it to understand. Now, this is the game changer. Biggest game changer I've ever seen. The most absorbent cloth, our glass cloth, amazing. You can get all different glass cloths anywhere. Some are better quality than others. Now, this cloth is going to absorb any water that I pick up straight away. Now you're going to see as I'm moving down the wall. Streak-free straight away. That's the only reason I would not use another cloth to do this. Otherwise, it would streak. I have done it many times. I don't use a squeegee because the water gets caught up in the grout and then it dribbles down the tile. So that's just as much of a pain in the ass. Now you can see streak-free. And now how hard was that? Was I bending down so much? Was I running 100 miles an hour? Did I need some fancy products to remove that? No. Just water,